Hey, what's happening, everyone? In this video, we'll take a look at the activity app on your iPhone. And this app right here works with the same one on your Apple Watch. And with them working together, we keep track of our movement stats, our standing stats, and our exercise stats. So here's the main page summary. As I press activity, I can see all my stats for today. My move, my exercise, my standing, flights climbed, the workouts I've done today. If I press the calendar on the top, I could also view all my previous data. Am I closing my rings? Am I moving? Am I standing? This is the stuff we want to do, especially for soccer players. This app's really cool. So look at all my previous workouts. Gyms and stuff are closed, so I've just been running. If I look at my previous run, I got the time, distance, active calories, elevation, cadence, heart rate, pace. Got my splits, the weather. I'm mapping my route with the humidity. So it's very detailed. And there's many type of workouts. There's strength training, HIIT, soccer, football, basketball. And in all of them, you can just have a better representation of the amount of energy you're putting out there. Right? Nowadays it's 2021. We got the science. Let's use it. Let's grow. Let's be dope as hell. We got our trends. I'm still waiting for a few more days to get all my trends. But as of right now, my pace is going better and better. My cardiovascular system's getting better and better. Once these ones provide a bit more data, I'll make another video to show you the difference. We also got little awards for us to strive for, like a perfect week. You earn this award 5 times for reaching your exercise goal every day of the single week. All right? Workout week. You've earned this award 8 times by doing at least 7 workouts of at least 15 minutes in 1 week. All right? We got competitions. So I competed against one of my players. Go for it. Some challenges I could strive for. Monthly challenges. Closing ring challenges. There's lots of stuff as you're working on yourself in your physical game. Of course, another cooler thing is we could share with our friends and our partners. We could sort by how much we're moving for the day, how much we're exercising for the day, how many steps on the day, how many workouts have we done on the day. I like to go by move. And again, every day it's just tracking all of our stats to see how we do versus each other as we motivate each other to the next level.